There's a significant number of people who are still very sick with this, and there is a problem with the NHS capacity being pushed, which is, as we have to remember, it is every year. The question I think the pressure we should be putting on the government is to say, where are your resources for, things like the Nightingale Hospital? We've had now a period of time in which, it seems ridiculous and unfair on people to repeat the same mistakes, which essentially we are doing if we bring in Plan B or lockdown measures. Because let's remember, the idea that we act restrictively on people's lives in order to save the NHS is a failing. It's a failing of the NHS. Nigel's completely right that that's not going to be fixed overnight. You're not suddenly going to have, an army of new staff who aren't knackered after the last 18 months marching in to save us. But it's I think, I keep using the word unfair, I think it's a travesty that the government has been allowed to fail again and use coercive measures, whether they be in the form of vaccine passports, not vaccines, but vaccine passports, or mandatory mask wearing, or indeed restricting us to our homes and not being allowed to go out around Christmas time. That is a failing of government. And there are other ways, whether it be shielding, as I've already mentioned, the vaccine rollout, and also provision of measures using Nightingale hospitals, using resources in order to not have a repeat of the disaster that was last year.